That place you imagine when you close your eyes at night? I don't know what that dream is that you have. That place you imagine when you close your eyes at night. That sanctuary you wish to call your own. Some dream of a simple apartment in the city. Others dream of a house with a garden where children can play. And yes, some dream of luxury homes overlooking the ocean. But here's what I know. Right now, you're struggling. The prices seem impossible. The market feels against you. Your savings feel too small. And people will tell you it's impossible. They'll say the market is too expensive. They'll say you should just keep renting. They'll say to lower your expectations. But let me tell you something. Every person who ever achieved anything great started exactly where you are right now, with a dream that seemed impossible, with odds stacked against them, with voices telling them to give up. Look around you. Every home you see, every building that stands tall, started as someone's impossible dream. You think those who own homes today had it easy? You think they didn't face the same fears, the same doubts, the same sleepless nights? But they refused to give up. They saved when others spent, they learned when others slept, they worked when others quit. Your dream of having a home, it's not just about four walls and a roof. It's about creating your sanctuary, building your future, and leaving a legacy. Yes, the journey will be hard. You'll face setbacks, you'll hear no, and honestly, you'll want to quit. But remember this, the struggle you're facing today is developing the strength you need for the success that's coming tomorrow. Start small, save what you can, learn everything about real estate, network with those who've done it, and, take that first step. Because one day, you'll put that key in the door, walk into your home, and know that you did this. The dream you hold in your heart, that vision of your perfect home, it's possible. It's waiting for you if you just keep going. Don't let anyone steal your dream. Don't let the market crush your spirit, and don't let fear stop you. Because your dream of home, well, it's not just a dream, it's your future. And it starts now. Every great achievement in history started with someone who refused to give up, someone who kept pushing, and someone who believed that someone is you. Your time is coming. Your dream is possible. Your home is waiting. Keep going, keep believing, keep fighting until that dream becomes reality. Because it's not about if it will happen, it's about when. And that when depends on you. Your dream of home, it's possible, it's coming, it's inevitable if you just keep going.